Hey ho, it's been a little bit since my last update. I had birthday, so I took a few days off, and after I came back, I just somehow finished always so late that I didn't manage to do the summary or the update. So I'm doing it now for this past couple of days, and after that, I will try to continue regularly again. So, what I was doing in the past 2 weeks or so, um, I don't know if I showed this part, but let me just close this. Um, I removed the whole logic for hoster, attester, and encoder that was in the service.js file, and I removed the service API. So all the logic, everything that is connected to these three roles is now happening inside of these files, which makes absolute sense. But yeah, so this is one thing. The second thing is the encoder is compressing the data and also signing the encoded data. And this is, we're storing this as a proof. So this is all the data that is being sent to the hoster through the attester, which verifies all the data. But this signature or this proof, oh, I'm sorry, this is the data, the wrong one. I marked the wrong one. So this is what we're sending forward. So this proof is actually a signature. And before it wasn't unique. We were signing an index of the chunk, but all the encoders would have exactly the same signature then. So we replaced it with encoder ID. So the encoder, when it encodes data, it encodes it with the encoder ID and then signs this whole thing. So this is one thing. And then on the other side, when there is a proof of storage challenge, the hoster sends the data to the attester, and attester has to verify this signature. So this proof. So this is another thing that I was doing. And then there is a signature, which is yet another signature, and this is a signature of a root hash of the feed. And we need this and the nodes to be able to verify that the index data that we are getting as a hoster before storing and as a tester in the storage challenge. So any of these roles receives the data for a certain chunks and needs to verify if this really belongs to the feed with that particular feed key. And I implemented this using the audit function from the hypercore. But the problem is that, oops, I'm trying to get to the right thing. The problem is that the audit function only works if we replicate the feed. So the verifier has to join the regional swarm, get the data, and then it can verify it against this, what they have received. But what we want to verify without having to join the swarm. So this is the next step that I'm working on together with Alex Sarapath. So we're trying to make this merkle verification without having to join the swarm. And yeah, it's kind of tricky. So we're trying to get to figure out which nodes do we need to return. So node for example, the root, node for the index, node for all the root hashes, node for proof nodes that are called this thingy. So playing around a little bit with this flat tree module. And yeah, this is it.